Good morning. Happy Monday, y'all. Today, Bath & Body Works dropped a coupon on us, or a 20% code. You might have it inside of your app, or you could use the email 20% code. I am so happy they gave us this because I actually was going to place an order yesterday, but I had already used the online code to my coupon, so I still have the physical coupon that I could use inside the store. So I'm going to Bath & Body Works today because I most definitely want to get the cologne. I want to get the coffee and whiskey cologne. I want to get that whole collection that came out with that. A couple of fragrance people is talking about the coffee and whiskey, so I want to make sure, got this gum, I want to make sure that I grab it before it's completely sold out. Only one store in my area still have some. So I'm going this morning, and I think I'm gonna try to grab 2 of each because I want to give some away for Christmas. And I don't think that for sure the coffee and whiskey is not going to be around in my area for Christmas. So now is the time for me to go ahead and grab it. Had to take the gum out, had to. So now is the time for me to go ahead and grab it. And that's the only thing that I'm going to grab with that 20% coupon.
I forgot to mention that it was a buy 3, get 3 sale going on as well. So the 20% came in handy.
Coupon, it's going to make them like $17 a piece, which is not bad to get cologne that's $39.50 for 17 something. That's not a bad price at all for them. Especially since they're gonna be gone, so I gotta get it now. So that's the only thing I'm gonna get. I really don't want to go to the store that I have to go to, but again, that's the only store that have it. Also today they doing that single wick sale, and I think it's like $6.95. I'm not gonna get any of that stuff. As far as that weekly drop, they got one more candle that's supposed to drop, which is the Thanksgiving candle, but they haven't said anything about that. And looking at the sales that's coming, I don't see a candle sale. So I'm not sure if that's going to be like a surprise sale for us, even though we know it's going to come Thursday. But as far as, is the candles going to be $12.95, $15.95, $10 off? Yeah, if they're going to have a sale on the candles, I'm not sure. If they don't have a sale on the candles, I'm not getting it. I'm not buying no candle at regular price. If that's one that I have to miss, then that's just one I have to miss, because I'm not paying full price. $26.50, nah. Not for a candle that I don't absolutely love or I'm not hyped for. You know, yes, I love the fact that this is a super limited edition collection. Yes, I'm happy about that, but as far as the scent, it's not my scent palette or my love. You know, if it was those oud candles, that's something different. If it was like a super limited smoke collection, like a smoke lavender and oud or something like that, that actually sounds pretty good. Smoked lavender and oud, ooh, that might be pretty good. But if it was something like that, then I probably would run for it, because I love those type of candles. I love those smoky scents. I love the lavenders. I love stuff like that. Or if they did like a smoked caramel something. Smoked caramel, I don't know, but smoked caramel something would be good. Smoked caramel s'mores. Woo! Woo! Smoked caramel s'mores, oh my gosh, that'd be lovely. Now that'd be something I run for. But as far as that Thanksgiving candle, no, I just want it for my collection. But if it's not a sale, it's gonna be a pass until the sale comes. So let's head on over here to Bath & Body Works. They open in like 30 minutes. It's probably gonna take me about 20 minutes to get over there. And that's really it. I don't think I'm gonna do a walkthrough in the store. If I do, it's just probably gonna be like the men's care stuff, and that's probably gonna be it. So let's head on over here, and hopefully we could find the stuff that we need. Let's head over here and see what we can see and see what we can find. So let's go, y'all. Okay, y'all, I am back. I got the items that I was going to the store for. Like I told y'all, I was just going for the men's cologne, and I got the mineral and sea salt. I got 2 of this one. I got 2 of the coffee and whiskey, and I got 2 of the leather and brandy. Like I said, everybody in my area is sold out of this coffee and whiskey. Do I have the scent notes? The scent notes is coffee, bold Irish whiskey. And y'all know these retail for $39.50. And with the 20% coupon, made them like $15.90, I believe. Which is not bad, y'all. $15.90. No, $15.80. That's not bad. So if your area is running low and you got that 20% coupon or a 25% coupon, I highly recommend you get it. Like I said, the fragrance community is talking about this one, this coffee and whiskey, and I just wanted to make sure I get my hands on it. And that's what the bottle looked like. Just a plain bottle, super nice, pull off cap. Yes, I like this. I love this. And I do. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. I love this one. I actually love all of them in this whole collection. Somebody was thinking when they made this collection, it is so good. Oh, this is so good. And to me, this is most definitely a unisex fragrance. I love this. And I do have it in the body spray. I bought that on the last sale that they had. I do have that, which is a good thing. Now, this mineral and sea salt, I actually wore the body spray yesterday, and I mixed it with the Seashore. I think that's the name of it. I'll put a picture in there because I can't think of the name of it. But the Seashore body mist, the fine fragrance mist, I used it with that one. But I wanted to grab the cologne, and this one is for my husband. So yeah, I love the way this is. This is most definitely a fresh scent, whereas this coffee and whiskey is more of a warm scent. You most definitely get that coffee. Yes, it's most definitely warm, slightly boozy. This not bad. I like this. And then, like I said, I got this one because it's more of a fresh scent. I'm gonna let that go down, and let's see what is the scent notes. The scent note is watery mineral springs and salty air. Very clean scent. Oh, I like this too. Love this. And this do come off as it could be a unisex fragrance as well. So yeah, same bottle style. So yeah, this is good. And then you add one of those, like a sweeter scent, to make it more of a sweeter fragrance, so it don't come off as more masculine. And then the last one I got is the leather and brandy. Now this one most definitely come off more masculine than it do more for women. You know, if you are the type of woman that you don't mind like a more warmer scent, then this will be for you. This one smell good as well, y'all. I like all of them, and that's what that bottle look like. All of the bottles basically look the same. But this one, you get that leather note. You get that leather note in it. You get that brandy. It's not boozy. It is boozy, but it's not like the coffee and whiskey. A leather chair and warmth of brandy. Weird scent notes. This is so good as well, but to me, this one is most definitely more masculine. The other two, you could blend them and kind of make them more girly like. Yes, this most definitely could be more of a fresh, fruity, whereas this could be more of a warm. Yeah, I most definitely could see blending this with like that warm vanilla fine fragrance mist. I could see blending this with like a fine fragrance mist with a caramel note in it. Yeah. As far as this leather and brandy one, I would just do something that was super sweet, something like a vanilla type of scent, fine fragrance mist with this one. But this one is most definitely more masculine out of all of them. I like them, and I'm happy that I grabbed them. Some of my other stores do have these two, but they don't have this one. So I had to just go ahead and grab it while I can, because I know that they're not gonna restock these. Once this stuff is gone, you know, it's gonna be gone. So I highly recommend it. Now is the time to grab it. If you want to get it for the $15.90 price, I do not think that this one will be around for semi-annual. I don't think it will. If you could find this around semi-annual, would be great to get it for 75% off, which would make it like $10. So I'm paying $15.90 or $15.80 now. Is not bad for me. You know, that's like a little bit over 50% off. So that ain't bad. So leave in the comments, let me know, what do you think about these fragrances? Have you got your hand on them? Is this something that you into? Do you love purchasing the men's cologne and trying to blend them with more of the fine fragrance mist, or blend them with some of your perfumes to, you know, just kind of create a new scent? Leave that down at the bottom. Also, have you grabbed the body spray in any of these? And let me know, what do you think about that? Out of all three of these, which one is your favorite? Out of all three, which one is your favorite? I think out of all three of these, this coffee and whiskey is my favorite. I bought one for me and one for my husband, because I'm not trying to share. So I bought two. And then I'm gonna give one of these to my son. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. Let me know how you're gonna spend your 20% that Bath & Body Works has released. I think it's for 2 days. So leave in the comments, what are you gonna use that 20% on? Or is it just a pass for you? You feel like you've been shopping enough, you don't really need anything, so you happy that Bath & Body Works gave the 20%, but you don't need nothing. So leave that down in the comments. Like I said, subscribe, follow me on all of my social media platforms, follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick, and hit that notification bell. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when your girl posts. And shout out to all of my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting your girl, watching everything I put out, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, whatever I put out, you here for it. I truly appreciate you. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.